There are unique cases, and the problem with traumatic brain injury cases from a litigation standpoint is it's not a visible injury most of the time. There are a lot of different degrees of traumatic brain injuries. When most people think of a traumatic brain injury, they think of someone who's lost their ability to talk, can't reason. They're basically vegetables. They're alive, but not really. No. A lot of traumatic brain injuries have much more subtle symptoms. Not only that, from a diagnosis standpoint, they're difficult to detect. If you do a CAT scan or an MRI of the brain, you may not see anything at all that looks abnormal, but the person still sustained brain injuries because they may be microscopic. There's all kinds of different types of areas of the brain that are affected, and most testing doesn't disclose that type of injury. Now, in this day and age, things have changed. We have something called diffuse tensor imaging. Not many attorneys know about it, but it is the state-of-the-art diagnostic tool when it comes to brain injury cases. It's handled only by a few very credentialed officials, physicians throughout the country. And the DTI testing will tell the neurosurgeon or neuroradiologist that performs it exactly what's wrong with the brain, where the areas of infarct are. We're talking about infarct, visible evidence of brain injury. And those diagnoses then allow the doctor to become a treater. There's something called electromagnetic stimulation, which is now used to help people with these types of injuries. Largely unknown 10 years ago. Still, a lot of attorneys don't know it exists because a lot of attorneys handle brain injury cases, but they really don't know what they're handling. Bottom line is, when you come to the Galliher Law Firm, we know what a brain injury is. We know how it should be diagnosed. And most importantly, we know how it can be treated to make you better, which of course should be the focus of any personal injury case.